Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to use Lendingclub as part of a FIRE plan. That's a Financial Independence Retire Early plan. The FIRE movement focuses on aggressively saving and investing to reach financial independence early than traditional retirement. Lendingclub can be a valuable tool in this journey, helping you to track income, expenses, debt repayments, and savings growth all in one place. Start by setting specific goals in savings in your Lendingclub account, such as building an emergency fund or maxing out contributions to long-term investments. Use budgeting features to categorize spendings and identify areas where you can cut costs to increase your savings rates. This is a key FIRE principle. If you're managing debt, Lendingclub's personal loan options can help to consolidate high interest balances into a single lower rate payment, which of course is going to free up money for you to save. The platform also lets you to monitor your net worth, to analyze cash flows, and export reports for tracking long-term progress towards independence. By combining smart budgeting, disciplined debt management, and automated savings within Lendingclub, you can create a clear financial roadmap that supports the aggressive savings and investment strategies essential for FIRE. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.